What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Pokemon TCG Pocket error code 102002007 authentication error. Now, if you're receiving this error when you're playing or you're starting the Pokemon TCGP app here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, Pokemon TCGP here uses the internet to connect to their servers. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your interconnectivity is quite stable. So maybe change to a different connection. So if you're using your Wi-Fi, try using your mobile data here. Or if you don't have mobile data, switch over to a different Wi-Fi connection and see if that actually helps. Now do this vice versa. If you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that helps. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clear the cache for Pokemon TCGP. Now, cache are going to be the temporary files that are installed or located or stored in your phone here. Now, sometimes if you have like files or stored files here that causes like issues, especially for recent updates, clearing the cache here can help a lot. So you want to look for Pokemon TCGP, press and hold on it, and you want to go ahead and click on the eye icon. You see it's at the very top here, and you want to go and click on clear data bottom right here and click on clear cache, and from then on click on OK. Now from here on you want to go open up Pokemon TCGP and see if that helps. Now finally, the last thing that you may want to do here is you may want to visit Google Play Store here, look for Pokemon TCGP, and if you do see any update button on it, go and press on it and just wait for the update to complete. Now sometimes the issue might be due to like the incorrect version of the app, and you're trying to access their server, so typically they might reject your connection because again, you don't have the latest version of the app itself or the game. So make sure you have it fully updated. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or resubscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.